Troy Shelter here in the maintenance department, show you some of the features of our Freightliner Cascadia sleeper units. Here on the dash, we this is a new delivery truck that we just took, but typically you have a tablet, Samsung tablet here that has XRS tablet. Show there some of our display. Up here on the dash, we have our drive cam that's inward and outward facing, and this here is for lane detection, and we also have the brake assist on the front bumper of the truck. And then with every truck we include a CB radio. And then moving to the back of the truck here, features here in the back of the truck, back in the bunk area, you'll see we have the double bunks. So you have passenger, taller ceiling, and then you'll notice here there's a spot, there's not a cabinet, you can put a mini small fridge, comes with a TV mount, and then here behind the driver's seat, other side of me is the inverter. For climate control in this truck, we have under the bunk a S-bar bunk heater, and then our southern units based in the southeast part of the country also have a idle-free APU unit. Some of the outside features of our truck, you notice we do run super singles, and we do have some aerodynamics on our trucks for MPG. And then on our fifth wheel, we have the pneumatic fifth wheel release and slide.